In this video, I'll guide you through how to edit a contact in Clio Manage. Whether you're updating a phone number, correcting a name, or adjusting billing rates, making these changes is straightforward once you know where to look. Let's dive right in and make sure your contact information is always up to date. First, you'll want to navigate to the Contacts section. You can find this on the left-hand menu of your Clio Manage dashboard. This is your central hub for all your contact management needs. Once there, locate the contact you need to update. If you have a long list of contacts, you might find it helpful to use the search bar at the top of the page to quickly bring up the contact you're looking for. Once you've found the contact, click on their name. This action will open their profile dashboard, providing you with a comprehensive view of all their details. This dashboard is where all the magic happens, allowing you to see everything from their billing information to their case history. Next, you'll want to look towards the top right corner of the page where you'll see the Edit button. Go ahead and click it. This will allow you to make changes to the contact's information. Whether you need to update a name, change an email address, add a new phone number, or adjust billing rates, you can do it all here. It's a good idea to double-check each field as you make your updates to ensure all information is accurate and current. As you make these changes, keep in mind the importance of maintaining accurate records. This not only helps in managing your client relationships, but also ensures effective communication and billing processes. Once you've finished making the necessary updates, you'll want to scroll down to the very bottom of the page. Here, you'll find the Save Contact button. Clicking this will apply all the changes you've made. It's crucial to remember this step as any modifications won't be saved unless you click the Save Contact button. And there you have it. You've successfully updated a contact in Clio Manage. Keeping your contact details up to date is essential for smooth operations and effective client communication. I hope this guide has made the process clear and easy for you. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to explore Clio's support resources or reach out to their help desk for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks. See you next time.